Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're chilling out at Upper Lake Mary near Flagstaff, Arizona. We just spent a few hours floating around on the lake, and now we're gonna hop in the Cookin Camper and make some bacon Alfredo. Now the ingredients for this Alfredo are right here for us. We've got some unsweetened cashew milk, 3 packages of microwave pasta, then we also have some Parmesan cheese, 6 slices of bacon, some flour, and here is an herb mix. Let me show you how I made it. We are going to use 4 different herbs. We are going to do a teaspoon of each. We've got some tarragon, basil, marjoram, and some oregano. Now the first step in this recipe is we are just gonna get the pasta out of the way. So according to this packet, you just break up the noodles a little bit and then we'll just rip them open. Now every microwave is different, but we microwave ours for about 1.5 minutes each. And we will just get those right in. And now while those start to cook, we're gonna chop up our bacon. So we're just gonna get a bowl and a pair of scissors. And we've got 6 slices. And you can slice these up as big or as little as you like. And the main reason we're not putting a bunch of spices in this bark right here is all black pepper and it's got some salt and other seasonings. And now we'll just turn on our skillet. I'm gonna put mine on a high and we are just gonna drop that bacon right in. You can cook it to your level of crispiness. Now after about 10 minutes, our bacon looks like this. So now the next step is you can turn off your cooktop for at least a little bit. And then we've got 1 bowl for the grease, 1 bowl for the bacon. Now if you don't want to fry this, you can also cook bacon at home and bring it. I would not recommend using the microwave variety for this because homemade bacon just has that thicker texture that you really need for this recipe. And then you do want to be careful because obviously this is extremely hot. You're going to put 3 tablespoons back into your pan. We are going to make a roux, and that needs 3/8 of a cup of all-purpose flour. And now what you're gonna do is turn back on your cooktop. Now you only want it on, I'd say, a medium, and you just wanna stir together all of this fat and flour. And this has cooked for a few minutes. Our roux is starting to darken. Now while whisking, we are going to stir in our cashew milk, and we just need to continually whisk until there are no lumps. In total, 3 cups of cashew milk. Now after about 5 minutes of continually whisking our sauce on about a medium to a medium high, it is almost totally smooth. So now we are just going to mix in a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then we'll also put in those herbs. And you just want to whisk this totally thoroughly to get as many of the lumps of Parmesan or flour you might have left. And now we can dump in that bacon and we will top it off with our pasta. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, we hope that you'll try out this recipe. If you do, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. We hope you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do.